Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. What do you think patience is?
Patience is being able to stay calm and collected when things go wrong or take a long time. It is the ability to deal with frustration, worry, or problems without getting angry or upset. It is the ability to keep your mouth shut, to pause and think before acting, to wait without complaining, and to persevere in the face of adversity.
Question number 2. Do you think patience is necessary?
Yes, patience is necessary in many areas of life. It assists us in remaining focused and motivated, as well as remaining positive during difficult times. It is easy to become overwhelmed or give up too quickly when you lack patience. Patience is also important in relationships because it allows us to understand and empathize with others.
Question number 3. Do you think you are a patient person?
I believe I am reasonably patient. In difficult situations, I try to remain calm and am willing to wait for things to happen in their own time. I also try to take a step back and think before acting.
Question number 4. Have you ever lost your patience?
Yes, I have lost patience before. I found it especially difficult to be patient when dealing with people who aren't listening to me or appear to be ignoring me on purpose. In these situations, I have to remember to take a step back and be patient.
Question number 5. What do you become impatient about?
When things take too long or people are not as responsive as I would like, I become impatient. I also get frustrated when I don't feel heard or taken seriously.
Question number 6. Are you less or more patient when you are angry?
I am definitely less patient when I am angry. I can become frustrated and feel like nothing is moving forward, which makes me more likely to act impatiently. I try to recognize this feeling and take a breather before doing something I might regret.
Question number 7. How do you feel when other people are not patient?
It can be very frustrating when other people are not patient. It can give me the impression that they are not considering my feelings or opinions and that they are not respecting my time. It can also make me feel as if I am not being heard or valued.
Question number 8. Do you think patience is an important part of being polite?
Yes, I believe that patience is an important aspect of politeness. Being patient demonstrates respect for other people's feelings and opinions, as well as a willingness to listen to and understand their point of view. Patience is also a sign of maturity, which can contribute to a more positive environment. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.